What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 11 by Khalid. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, I will have it in the video description for you once you get done. So if you need that, it is downloadable. Jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. You're going to start out by barring the 5th fret with your index finger, and you're going to play the low E with your thumb, D string with your index finger, and middle finger is going to pluck the G string. And then I switch to my middle finger on the low E, pluck it one more time, and then slide up to 8. So then put your ring finger on the 9th fret on the D string. You're going to pluck that there with your index finger, and then the 7th fret on the G string with your index finger. You're going to pluck that and then quickly hammer onto 9 and pull back off to 7. And then pluck it one more time. So from the slide, so from the top, and that hammer on and pull off is quick. Go down to an E minor chord, and it's a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D, and you really don't even need that ring finger. If you don't want, you can just put the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A, because you're just plucking E, the low E with your thumb, that A with your index, and then the open G with your ring finger. Then you're going to pluck the low E open again. Go to the 3rd fret on the low E with your index finger, and then you're going to quickly pluck 4 on the D and the G, and I just kind of hold both of those down with my middle finger. So, and then you go up to 4 on the low E and do the same thing again, and I'm just barring the 4th fret now. And then it starts all over. So from the E, it looks like there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have the song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of the these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.